Today, we're diving into a super handy tool, the AI Portrait Cutout. This feature lets you remove the background from any video without needing a green screen. Sounds cool, right? Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline and select the clip. Now, on the right side editing panel, make sure you're in the video tab and switch to the AI Tools tab. If you scroll down, you'll see an option called AI Portrait Cutout. Go ahead and enable it, and just like that, Filmora starts processing the footage and removes the background automatically. No need for complex masking or manual editing. Filmora does all the hard work for you. For the best results, make sure to turn on Advanced Cutout mode. This refines the edges and makes the background removal look cleaner and more professional. Now that we've got a clean cutout, let's take it a step further. Filmora also gives us an option to add a human outline effect. Simply enable it and you'll instantly see a glowing outline around your subject. Want to make it pop? You can customize it by tweaking the outline size, color, edge thickness, and feathering. Play around with these settings to match the style of your video, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully removed the background without a green screen and even added a stylish glow effect to your subject. This is perfect for reaction videos, gaming content, or any creative project where you want to separate your subject from the background. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick and easy Filmora editing tips. See you in the next one.